fuck with me. You might end up stuck with me. I know some niggas that stuck in the past, they can't get in touch with me. I know some bitches be running their mouth saying what they done for me. I'ma just be in the mansion, getting the manny, sipping on bubbly. I don't see competition in my peripheral, nothing in front of me.
Look at all this candy. And we got a glow stick. Glow stick. It was the day before Halloween. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, today I am carving a pumpkin. Normally I don't really celebrate Halloween, but I saw this big pumpkin and I was like, I had to have it, and I just wanted to carve pumpkin this year. What?
It was practically free.
Well, it was practically free. It was like free 99 cents at Walmart. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys didn't know, my name is Tammie. If that said, yes, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. All right, camera woman.
What?
We need you to bring the camera up. They can't see my face. I'm too low.
How you bring this up though?
Oh,
bitch, you can't set your shit up. Now you want to talk to me. Get the fuck.
Okay, what we gonna use? What kind of knife?
Girl, grab a knife. Ratchet ass pumpkin carving.
First of all, I'm gonna put on my gloves because look at my nails. They're too cute.
Cause you Michael Myers, girl. The thing in your face.
This?
Yeah.
Alright, this thing is used. Disclaimer, if you for kids that's watching this, make sure you have a parent involved because you don't want to hurt yourself. So don't hold your knife like this, but we finna get into it. I'm gonna put on my gloves. If you guys didn't see my Shein haul, go watch that. That's why I got my nails from. Now we got the pumpkin. This should go on the gram. Candy break. I'm gonna go in like this. Honestly, I don't know how to cut a pumpkin. Ratchet that knife. And you need a sharp knife because honestly, this knife is not sharp at all. Oh. That's the end of the video. I wanted to have like the thing to. Okay, this.
You gotta cut.
I did go deep in.
I'm in a deep end. She loving me. When
Okay.
she touching me in the
Copyright.
Like, oh.
This girl. Okay, I think we got it. Like, oh my goodness, it's stuck. I need a paper towel because this about to be a mess. Because I'm gonna collect all the seeds and make pumpkin seeds. It about to be a mess. It about to be. Put that on the side. I gotta figure out a way to get this thing out. Got it. Okay, what do we do next? We take out all the seeds.
Yeah, you take everything out.
See, camera woman done this before. I never done this, so this is like my first time, and it feels so weird. But this is the inside, you guys. There's so much seeds in here. I'm done taking out seeds. I wanna put a face in my pumpkin.
Oh, I gotta get you a permanent marker.
Okay, bold marker, and I'm gonna attempt, and well, we, camera woman and me, we about to attempt this double CC. First of all, I need a, let's see. I'm gonna really attempt. Okay, so I'm gonna, I try to look on YouTube if somebody did this before, but I ain't seen nobody did this.
So why you attempting it?
Because I want to be different. Okay. Well, you'll think we getting somewhere. I did not later. Yeah. Well, oh, thank you, camera woman. Alright, we're gonna try it, bro. This one is good though. Oh, shit. Look how easy that was.
It's gonna be a box seat.
It sure will. No, I'm not. I'm getting somewhere? I think we are. Do you see the vision? Camera woman? Camera woman? Do you see the vision?
Young nigga, mope up. All black
Oh
chuck.
my god, that's not what I asked you. Y'all see the vision? Please, somebody. You see the C?
No.
Watch, when I take off this one, you're gonna see this one. What? You're gonna see it. Why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me?
I'm not.
You don't see it? Oh my goodness.
Come right here.
Yeah, don't say the C. Okay, we're gonna do that.
It kind of look like a DG.
A D-
Dolce & Gabbana.
Ow. Okay, we're gonna. Do you see the DG?
No.
We're gonna try this side because that C was good, right?
Girl, just do the face. Just do the face, boo boo. Do the face, boo boo.
I feel so unaccomplished. Like,
That was hard. Eat a candy.
that was so hard. Like, this is my first time carving a pumpkin, and I was trying to do a Chanel logo.
This is beginners.
Like, advanced.
That was advanced.
You want to see the double G?
No.
The DG?
No.
Dolce & Gabbana?
Mm.
Well, I tried, you guys. I tried to be creative, but now we're gonna do it the old school way. I'm disappointed. Well, we came, we didn't conquer. We got one eye, got the second eye. See, I could do this. I could do this. Look at it.
The face.
The face, but the double CCs is hard next year. There go that. There go the eyes. There go the eyes.
So bad.
You see, you would be on camera so bad. You know you're not gonna ask me why I do a smiley face because you gave up. You didn't even try to help me with the
What are you
C's.
talking about?
Camera woman. Whoa. Why the mouth part hard? Okay, it look like a happy pumpkin. Let me down. Like, does it look like a happy pumpkin? Come on, be for real. You told me that song look like those CCs. Like, you don't see the C? You don't see those CCs? Anywho, you guys, I tried, but I couldn't do it. I'm gonna try again. Okay. In life, you can't accomplish everything. So, I'm gonna stick to the old version. And next year, we're gonna do the double CCs or GGs. What do you think, camera woman? What do you think?
Huh?
Oh, well, you this girl ain't never listening to them. Next year, we're gonna try to do the double GGs. Gucci. because of double CCs. Man, this side could have did it. This side. Let's see. Anywho, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun carving this thing because I never really did this before. This was fun. Let me know what you guys doing for Halloween. I like to watch scary movies and stuff. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace. So we end up making pumpkin seeds. And they taste so yummy. It's very crispy. This is supposed to be the double CC sign. Alright, you guys, don't forget to be safe, wear your mask, and enjoy Halloween, okay? Don't be scared. Just know everything that's happening is meant to happen. This is cute though. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.